So we got Nathan back here. That's it. That's the video. Goodbye. Alright, so we have this R32 Skyline. What year is this? 92?
Oh, shit, I don't even know. I think it's a 90.
90 R32 GTS?
GTST actually.
GTST.
Turbo.
And it came in with, obviously you could tell,
It got
destroyed.
It got T-boned some lady on the base. This kid lives on an Air Force base. Some chick crashed into him.
So this whole side over here is just absolutely destroyed. And
so yeah, look inside here.
This is the spare. Put the spare and try to move it, but
this way.
you shouldn't be able to do that.
The tie rod is completely sheared off here. I'm sure the knuckles bent a little bit too. Or actually, sorry, the tie rod's here. It's completely sheared off. This brace is broken. I have a feeling the shock is probably bent too. And then if you look in here, take the camera in here. This got smashed.
Yeah, it's totally shifted back.
Look, peek inside there. So that's where the body seams split. And the worry I have is I'm pretty sure I'll have to check the procedures, but I think the motor has to come out to be able to drill out all the spot welds and replace that. So we're going to see what it's going to take to do that.
So we initially thought it's going to be just replacing parts and whatnot, but after looking at that, it's
looks like
definitely
it could be
structural
totally
repair. And then even in here too, you can see it got the front apron. Like look, see like right there.
Oh,
so
yeah.
underneath this fender, we're going to take it apart and take a look, but I guarantee it's smashed in there too. And you can't even open the door all the way.
Yeah, the door is completely jacked up. Oof. That doesn't sound good at all.
And I guess this, if you listen, like over here,
Yeah.
it already did this.
Okay,
So we'll fix that for him, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff wrong. Mirrors are obviously broken.
Jeez.
There's not even any glass in it.
Well,
We gotta restore Godzilla.
let's tear it apart.
Yes, engine shots.
Godzilla Jr.
The heart of Godzilla.
Heart of Godzilla.
Hey, this thing is pretty dope too. You shoot some good
Yeah.
flames with it.
He's got K-Sports.
Yeah, they're getting all those spots. They're ready to be replaced.
Yeah.
At least that one for sure. This one's not so bad. It's got a little bit of cracking, but that one's definitely blown out.
This guy right here.
What, little gritty?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Looks like it.
Oh no, it's like a
Knockoff gritty.
one, I think. Yeah. We don't gotta tell anyone.
What's this down here? Look at this. There's all these like little colorful parts.
Yeah, I think it's just an anodized bracket on the alternator. So you can see right here, it got smashed. This piece here, and then you can get a better view in there how these pieces separated. So the problem is trying to get all these spot welds drilled out. You're probably gonna have to do both sides. And then look over here too. So it's split all the way against the firewall. The shock tower and the firewall seam completely split. It's also split down here too, it's just hard to see it. Alright, so I'm gonna try to just back it up.
Yeah.
Kick the wheels, need you to like get it to go the right direction. And I'm gonna go straight back and then I'm gonna like kick it forward.
That's we're gonna try to reverse it back. I'm gonna kick the wheel.
Make some hand gesture if something looks fucked up. So I know it's not. You can see it dripping from like right here. Look. See how my finger's wet? See that? It's like
Bad feeling.
this fitting. I think what it is this isn't tight enough. Oh, right there.
Oh yeah.
I was smelling gas. I'm like, fuck, dude. Hey, something's wrong. See, there's a bend right there in the control arm, and then this tension rod sheared off, and then the tie rod completely separated from there. Completely sheared off there, and then you can see broke the paint and buckled it there. And then, look, it just fell out. so you can see where the arm should sit. It should be straight from this point to the ball joint. And then this point here, I mean, if you use this to like draw a line, see how far off center it is? So the problem is now I'm trying to connect the new one, and then like the knuckle is like an inch over this way because it got shoved over with this. So now I need to replace this piece here, and then most likely the knuckle also, because this arm got bent. So now the ball joint is, you know, coming up here when this is all the way over here. So it's just too far off. There's no way to actually bring it over and hook it on, because I think somewhere within this it got bent. So I'm gonna have to buy a new one of these. See, I think I showed you last time where the arm was bent. Remember, you couldn't even get this anywhere near where it needed to go. And now it just
slides right in.
Well, hold on. There you go. It's just heavy. It screws right into here. So we have the actual OEM tie rod coming. It just should be here in a few days. This, I'm hoping maybe a week or two. We'll have to check shipping. Other than that, we're done with suspension, and then we just need to do our structural pull here, re-seam it up with some seam sealer.